Hello YouTube, welcome to TRE Defense Training, where the TRE is trained, ready, armed. I'm Instructor Trey, and in this video, we're going to discuss holster drawing with the Glock 42 pistol. Okay YouTube, we're going to discuss holster drawing. Today I'm going to be drawing from the holster. For my first example, I'm going to be using the Black Hawk outside the waistband holster. When it comes to drawing from the holster, there's a number of steps that you have to take. Right? For me personally, my first step starts with the grip. My grip is established in the holster. So when I'm gripping the gun here, once I go to remove my gun from the holster, that's when I'm establishing my grip. This is the Black Hawk level 2 holster. So as I'm gripping, I have to release, push the button to release to get the gun out of the holster. It's a level 2 holster. So I'm gonna grip. And then I say to myself, as I grip, I look for my locking mechanism. So grip, pull, rotate, punch. Right? And then I'm gonna bring my weak hand out, my left hand out for support. I'm gonna show you that again. Again, if you notice, my left hand is coming to my chest. That's only because I'm conscious about muzzling myself. I don't want to put my left hand in front of the pistol. All right. So again, step one: grip, pull, rotate, punch, and support. I'm going to come back again. I'll show you one more time. Grip, pull, rotate, punch, and support, and a nice stand here. All right. Let's do it one more time. Nice and steady flow. And that YouTube is drawing from the holster with an outside the waistband holster. Next, we're going to show you how to draw from the holster using an inside the waistband holster. Okay YouTube, now we're going to discuss drawing from the holster using an inside the waistband holster. The first part we showed drawing using the holster draw using an outside the waistband holster. Now we're going to demonstrate using an inside the waistband holster. If you noticed in part one, using the outside the waistband holster, my hand went to my chest, right? So that's all part of the grip. So my hand goes to the chest and grip. So it's grip, grip, grip. Things are a little bit different with the inside the pants holster because I have to lift my shirt up to get it out of the way in order to get to my gun. So with the inside the waistband holster, my grip involves lifting my shirt. So grip, grip, right? Then I'm gonna pull, rotate, all right? If I need to get a shot off here, I can get one off, right? And then I'm gonna punch out and join and bring my support hand in. So we're here. Grip, pull, rotate, punch, and support. Grip, pull, rotate, punch, and support. And that's it, okay, YouTube. We just talked about drawing the Glock 42 pistol from an outside the waistband holster and an inside the waistband holster. I'm Instructor Trey. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you, YouTube.